Hey there, let's dive into an interesting problem we have at hand. The problem revolves around comparing data between two data frames, df1 and df2, specifically within groups. We want to check if the value of x in df1 is present in the corresponding group, z, of df2. Only when both conditions are met should the present column be marked as true. It's an intriguing problem that requires a clever solution to execute efficiently. Now, let's explore the solution to our problem. By using the tidyverse package and a combination of functions, we can achieve our desired outcome. The code provided utilizes the inner_join function to merge the two data frames based on matching values in the x column. By employing some clever data manipulation techniques, we can effectively determine the presence of values within groups, resulting in a concise and accurate assessment of our data. Continuing on with our solution, after performing the necessary data manipulation steps, we are left with a summarized output that neatly captures the results of our comparison. The final output showcases the values of x and z along with the corresponding present column, illustrating which values satisfy our criteria within the defined groups. This streamlined and clear representation provides valuable insights into the data comparison process, making it easy to interpret and draw conclusions from the results. In summary, we have successfully tackled the problem of comparing data within groups using a combination of clever data manipulation techniques. The provided solution offers an efficient and effective way to determine the presence of values within specific groups, enhancing our understanding of the data at hand. I hope you found this exploration of the problem and its solution informative and engaging. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious,